Hello everyone! Welcome to Ate Arcee's vlog. Thanks for watching! Jessie loves playing with these little springs and balls. Kaso yun po, dahil ayaw niyang i-share ito, dinadampot niya yan at itinatago. Yun po siya. Kaya ang 48 pieces po na spring, wala na, nag-disappear na sila. Jessie, what you doing, little baby kitty? Say something to mama. Jessie, you're gonna fall down over there, Jessie. Hey, Jessie. Beautiful kitty, beautiful kitty. Anong nangyari, Jessie? Yan bang gusto mong position? Jessie. Si Jessie po. Ayan, bumagsak na yung kanyang tower. At dyan niya gustong humiga. Ang cute mo, baby kitty. My butiki. Oh, where you going with that? It's already dead. Go get it, Jessie. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it, Jessie. Go get it, Jessie. Good morning, Jessie. Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Nakaupo lang po ang aking baby Jessie. At walang ginagawa. Hello! Say hello! Hello! And today, we got another kitty cat. Look, you got a cross legs. Hello, this is the kitty cat Siamese Blue Eyes, Jessie, the twin sister of, what's your twin sister's name? Gracie, the tortitude. Oh, you sleepy also? It's morning and they are all sleepy after playing and eating. This is the third cat I have today. We're gonna have to find the other cats so I can show you what they're doing this morning. Good morning. You're not gonna say hello? Ah, okay, go back to sleep. Si Jessie po, nanonood ng cooking show. Yan, gusto yatang maging baker or chef. Yan, ang aking si Jessie. Sobrang sweet. Lulutuan mo ba ako niyan, Jessie? Ha, Jessie?